Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 amplifier. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. The item number 5 in our list is Headphone Amplifier Hi-Fi Advanced Music. Specifications. Brand name, no N name _ null. Dimensions, WX-HXD, 158 by 117 by 35 mm. Body material, plastic. PCM, yes. Channels, 2.0. Output power, no signal = 5 watts, max signal = 13 watts. Model number, Zen Aircan. Type, mini amplifier. Recommended headphone maximum impedance, 501 to 600 ohm. Input type, RCA. Power supply requirement, DC 5 volts / 2.5A, center plus V. Frequency response, 10 Hz to 100 kHz, -3 decibels. Max. Input, RCA 3.8 volts RMS, 3.5 mm 1.92 volts RMS. Gain, 0 decibels 9 decibels 18 decibels. Power consumption, no signal = 5 watts, max signal = 13 watts. The item number 4 is Senuapu DP X10 Car Audio 4CH Power Amplifier. Specifications. Brand name, Senuapu. Special features, adjustment of the out power. Material type, aluminum. Item weight, 1.45 kilograms. Item size, 280 mm by 233 mm by 68 mm. Signal to noise ratio, 94 decibels. Frequency range, HE, 20 Hz 20 kHz. Out power, 4 by 80 W. Model name, DP X10. Audio encoding, multi-channel. Channels, 4-channel amplifier with 8-channel DSP. Controller, LCD remote controller. Applicable models, Volkswagen, BMW, Toyota, Honda, Peugeot, etc. Rear size, QRX 130 ohm. C-post size, 27.2 ohm. Fork diameter, 28.6 ohm. As the item number 3 we've selected, Senuapu 8-channel car amplifier. Specifications. Brand name, Senuapu. Special features, HD media player. Material type, aluminum. Item weight, 6.5 kilograms. Item size, 360 mm by 220 mm by 90 mm. Color name, black. Audio sensitivity, 115 decibels. Signal to noise ratio, 109 decibels. Impedance, 4 ohm. Frequency range, HE, 20 Hz = 20 kHz. Out power, 1000 watts. Model name, Hi-Fi X12. Audio encoding, stereo. The item number 2 is IMA Audio T9 Pro Stereo Vacuum Tube Amplifier. Specifications. Brand name, IMA. Channels, 2.0. Model number, T9 Pro. Maximum power per channel, 100 watts. Origin, Mainland China. Certification, C. Output power, 100 WX2. 2, Jan 5725. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, wiring harness 4x150W Car DSP amplifier. Specifications. Brand name, Kuzu. Material type, aluminum. Item weight, 1.2 kilograms. Item size, 170 by 100 by 33 ohm. Color name, black. Special features, sound signal processor. Audio sensitivity, 90 decibels. Signal to noise ratio, 108 decibels. Impedance, 4 ohm. Frequency range, HE, 20 Hz 20 kHz. Out power, 4 by 150 W. Model name, PZC7. Audio encoding, multi-channel. Channel, 4-channel input and 6-channel output. Warranty, 2 years. Seat tube, 31.6 mm diameter. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.